Hello and welcome to Invest 21's channel. Let's jump straight into the market action. Today we got to see that there has been a broad sell-off in the market and there was no place to hide for investors or traders, right? So we started to notice that market is finding resistance from the upper levels. So 25,000 has become a point of rejection, and you could also see the same in concentration of money in the OI at 25,000 call as well, right? There have been writers at 25,000 today. So we see that the market has closed about 24,837, which is well below the that of 50 DMA. Now this tells us that market might find a bit of resistance on any rallies or towards these levels. Along with this, the earnings also seem to be weak across the board, and a lot of pricing in is yet to happen and take place. And you can expect this. Price behavior to sort of continue in a drag fashion over the next 2 weeks, of course. Right. Now let's have a look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is not much of a big reason as to why there has been a drop in the market, though it is only about 0.94% on the downside. You can see that there has been a lot of selling that has taken place in Nifty, and as we were talking about this gap yesterday at 8th to 9th May, this gap has also been closed. So I believe that Nifty IT at an index level is yet to bottom out, and you can expect small pullbacks maybe, but do not expect a sharp reversal in the index anytime soon. You know, and let us take a look at Nifty small cap. So now we started to notice that even the small cap index closed at 18,294, well below, just underneath the 50-day DMA. And you can expect further downside in terms of the small caps. Okay, let us now go to Nifty small cap, mid cap. So there is some amount of weakness in the mid cap space and in the small cap space. We can see that there has been some amount of aggressive selling that has taken place in the at a broader level of the 100 of small cap as well as the mid cap too. So we see that at major levels of indexes, it has closed well below 50-day DMA across these four indexes, right? You have to wait and watch. You have to see for sell off in rallies. So, this is a key point to note over here. And FIIs seem to be continuously being selling in the market that is taking place, right? So, when we now coming to the dashboard that we have over here, we see that Nifty's volatility is up, though the average true range for the last 14 days is about 170, and when we calculate, we get to see that today the market has expanded yesterday and today as well, though it is a small difference in the number on the downside, but the true range is about 204, right? So now when you take a look at Nifty Bank as well, the volatility is up. Now the ratio is about 1.5 times. We get to see that it's about 731 points. So that is a considerable level of movement in the Nifty Bank, right? Now, finally, coming to India VIX, you see that the volatility over here is also spiking up. You can expect India VIX to shoot up a little bit in the short term, but nothing much to be feared from a longer term time frame point of view, right? So, thank you.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.